Hey there, it's Amy. I'm the founder of PrettyPurpleDoor.com, and I see that you're interested in the Designing Landscape Layers ebook. So I just wanted to give you like a quick overview of what's in here and what to expect, just to make sure that it's a good fit for you. So it's about 100 pages. There's lots and lots of information in here. I have a table of contents, and then it just goes right into a crash course in gardening. So if you're brand new to gardening, this is a great piece for you because it's going to give you that foundation of how to plant, how to set up your border, how to amend the soil, all sorts of things, and all the tools that you'll need to do it. So I go over all of that before I even get into the layering, and then once you get that crash course, you'll get right into the process of designing like a beautiful mixed border and learning structure and color and texture and all these design principles that are usually really stuffy and like confusing to apply at home. I try to make it really interesting. There's lots of beautiful illustrations in this book and photography from all different gardens across the world. And you're just going to learn about garden styles and garden themes and how to make a unique space that is really just screaming your name. So that's what I really love about gardening, is being able to show my personality. So I'm going to give you a lot of tips for doing that in your own garden. And beyond that, I'm going to give you some color meanings and understanding what the difference between warm and cool and relaxing and calm versus exciting gardens. And you can steal some of these color schemes for your own garden. Then I go into a huge section about doing your own plant research and why that's important and how you can do it and what apps to use and what websites to go to and how to determine whether a plant is right for your space. After that, I'm going to show you exactly step by step in a detailed way how to actually design a layered landscape and like what the steps are and how many of each plants you should have. After that, I go into each layer of that garden pyramid. So I'll be explaining, here's layer 1, ornamental trees. It'll just cover the trees. It's giving you tips for choosing trees, and then it's giving you some example trees. And then it goes into every single layer in the same way, where it's showing shrubs and evergreen shrubs, deciduous shrubs, perennial plants, flowers. So you're going to get that tip guide and also the list of plants that I'd recommend. Again, you'll learn more about that in the plant research section, where not every plant works in every location. So I think a lot of plant lists are a little bogus, but this is at least going to get you started. And then after that, I'm going to sort of talk about all these different principles of design and how you can incorporate structure and examples and some little homework assignments for you so that you can really get the most out of this. And then just tying it all together. So let me see what else we got here. Some stuff about balance, unity, and flow. So you can see it's very illustrated. There's lots of pictures. It's not an overwhelming document, but it is over 100 pages of information. Here in this section, I'm just giving you all my best tips for creating this layered landscape and designing mixed borders, how to arrange plants in your garden, how to make stunning plant combinations and making things bloom together and bloom sequencing, and all of these really complicated concepts. They're just all sort of brought to life, and I tried to make it as easy and as simple as possible for homeowners or aspiring garden designers to understand. And after that, I'm going to give you like my best tips in a huge list, and then you're going to get this great checklist, and sort of that's about it. So I hope that explains exactly what this ebook is, and if that's for you, then all you have to do is click the add to cart button, and you're on your way to designing the layered landscape of your dreams. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.